Morning, witches. Okay. So I don't know what happened last week. I don't know where last week went. It was a little bit busy, but yeah. I don't think I did any lives last week. I can't remember, to be honest. Oh, God, just ran away with me that week. Anyway, I'm here to tell you. This is Moon tuning fork, by the way. I thought I'd just go through what's going on this week. Obviously, the big one is Ostara on Wednesday. Now, we are actually having a real world gathering here. We're having a drumming, whatever you want to call it, gathering. A drum gathering. But what I will do on that Wednesday, probably in the afternoon, is share a little spell that you can do. Yeah, so prosperity seed spell. So I'll do a little Facebook Live and share that with you. We did it a few years ago, actually, in one of our group gatherings. Thursday's full moon. So I am planning to do something for that day. Where's my... Hang on a minute, bear with me. So, this is my plan. See, it's only a loose plan where I sat down. If you remember, I was telling you about it at the beginning of the year, in January, where I sat down and I went through and worked out energies, like weaving through the gaps in the universe for the year, yeah? So bringing in the actual energy of the wheel of the year, moon phases, and also planetary movements. So I got an idea of if I'm going to use, if I'm going to do spell work, or magic, then I will weave it in where appropriate to maximize the effect, yeah? So, we've already had the dark moon, full moon, planting an idea with a seed. Now, we actually have, I think I've still got one. I hope I've still got one. I used one in the in bulk one. I think we've still got one. It's a holm oak. What do you call it? Seed. Brain. So it's early. I've been up that long. It's a holm oak acorn. So I'm actually planning on planting that because the full moon is actually on the 21st. So that would just squeak in before the full moon. Yeah. So yeah, I'm going to use an acorn for when I took you through the prosperity seed magic work. I'm going to be using an acorn. I haven't written down the moon magic for that. Did I write it down there? No. So I've referenced books, but not actually written down what the moon magic will be. But what I will do is I will let you know on that when I post the event. Yeah. So Ostara is all about planting that seed. So if you've been working with the energy so far, all the way from Yule, actually, in fact, all the way from Samhain, yeah. then you'll have a good idea of what it is that you want to manifest through the wheel of the year. So obviously that might change as you go through the year. If you set intentions for 2 or 3 months, and obviously you're going to build on that as you go through the year. In fact, I could also incorporate, because we're still in Mercury retro, I could also incorporate a spell for removing blocks for communication. Because obviously Mercury is still in retrograde at the moment. So we do also do a little spell for removing any kind of restriction around communication, especially at this time with Mercury in retrograde. I don't know about you guys. I've noticed a really freaky tech stuff going on. Right, that was Moon Tuning Fork. Let me just put that one back. Moon. And then we have the Mercury. Because I don't believe you should run around screaming like a headless chicken when planets go retrograde, especially Mercury. That's just, no, don't do that. Don't do that. That is not the empowered witch. That is not the empowered witch way. That's a blind muggle way. Yeah. And we are empowered witches, are we not? So excuse me a minute. Just got to go and turn that alarm off. Bear with me. Oh, there you go. Empowered witch. Yes, empowered witches. So yeah, if you're an empowered witch, do you fear Mercury going retro? Do you go bonkers when it happens? No, you don't. You just go, okay, so how can I use that? How can you utilize the energy of Mercury going retro? Because it's still retro for, just get my thingy up here, until the 28th. That's in the UK. Yeah. At the top of the group, I have posted a place where you can go if you put in your location. I think that's all you need to put in there, and something else. I think you can get up all the moon phases, planetary movements, and void of courses as well. I don't think we've got any void of courses. Well, I'm always super for me, if I'm manifesting, being super specific about my intention isn't as important as the process of doing my divinity. If you don't know what I'm talking about, don't worry. It's all part of the soul realignment and the manifesting blueprint. So if your manifesting isn't quite doing what you want it, that could be 2 reasons. Could be that you have soul level blocks and restrictions, which are usually negative karmic patterns, which can be lifetimes old. Yeah. Which, in order for your soul to express itself fully, they want to be cleared. Yeah. And what's really cool is soul realignment is a very powerful tool within which to do that. And the manifesting blueprint is like a little modular piece that fits on the side and actually can speed up your manifesting process by knowing exactly how your soul manifests. Yeah. So, for example, sneaky peek, right? Some people will be all about the journey. Other people will be all about the outcome. You can obviously get variations, so you can be a little bit of one, like, I don't know. If you were kind of down the middle, then you'd have to balance that. You'd have to balance being, it being part of the journey and also about the outcome. Yeah. So there's little clues like that can really give you. It's a massive tool with which to really hone your manifesting process, so it happens quicker. Yeah. This is the Mercury tuning fork. Give you a little bit of respite. I was saying about tech stuff. Oh my God, Facebook. There's banks, Facebook. Something else that. Is that a Smurf? I thought I just heard a Smurf. I think I did. I think it's gone back out. Yeah, tech's got really mad during this Mercury retro. It was going a bit weird before as well. It was like it was getting ready. It's really weird. But there's been a lot of solar stuff going on as well, so that probably doesn't help. Okay, so I was talking about what we're doing this week. So Ostara, where we're having our real world thing. But I will do a little Facebook Live with you for the prosperity seed ritual. Full moon for us on Thursday. Obviously, if your full moon is on Wednesday, then do something on Wednesday. And I will do stuff around better communication, and there's some moon magic I'm going to do, but I can't remember what it is. Got it written down somewhere. And then we're all clear until Saturday. Now, Saturday is summer finding. What's summer finding? If you were in the group last year, I think we did. I'm pretty sure we did a little music-y thing on summer finding. So I'm just reading because there's Heimdall as well. Okay, Lord of the Moon, patron of everything that grows upon the earth. Okay, so we can combine the two, really. So Saturday 23rd, this Saturday coming, we're going to combine summer finding and Heimdall. They have Heimdall. Heimdall. Yeah, Heimdall. Yeah. Get right in a minute. Summer finding is all about the light getting stronger. So you've probably noticed it already wherever you live. We're definitely noticing it, although it's been very windy and rainy last week or so. So it's been actually darker than it would have been at Salway. Oh, the irony. But yeah, this Saturday, 23rd, we're going to do a little something for summer finding. It will be around chanting, celebrating the light returning, which ties in with Ostara, obviously. Dog, no dog. It could be a ghost dog. I do have one that now and again comes in and sees me. So yeah, and that will probably be kind of afternoon-y time on Saturday. It won't be an evening thing. It'll be an afternoon-y thing. Okay, but I will put it in events. So it's 3 events this week. Ostara, and I'll do the prosperity seed ritual Thursday, full moon, and Saturday summer finding and day of Heimdall as well. We might as well combine the 2 celebration, so we will. Cool. This is the Mercury tuning fork to ease the passage of Mercury retro. So, I hope you have a lovely week. I think we're going out today. Unless it stops raining. We're going to go to an amazing place called Hall Place. An amazing place called Hall Place. It's Tudor, as far as I know. It's an amazing place. It's got amazing grounds and garden. Pardon me. But it's one of those places so old that the floor, where it once would have been level, is dipped from all the passages of feet across space and time that have trod there. And I love that. I absolutely love that. Because we're going to go and test our well, Ian doesn't need to test his because, you know, he's old hand at that. But I'm going to go and test my kind of ghost radar, if you like, for want of a better word, my ghost radar, just to see if I can pick up on anything really. But it's a nice place as well, so even better. Okay, so I am going to go. Cheers, and we'll see you on. Well, I'm going to try and get in every day for something as well. I might even do Mercury every day because that ends next Thursday. So I will attempt to come in every day with a little bit of Mercury tuning fork. Okay. So peace and long life. Live long and prosper. And we will see you around and about in the group. I will put the events up. If it's if I don't get there today, it'll be tomorrow. Okay, fantastic. Bright blessings all.